All right, guys, we are on Empress of the Seas, Ocean View Cabin 7000, and I am on the September 12th, 2016 sailing. So this cabin is all the way forward, all the way forward. So I'm going to walk in. I'm going to show you the restroom and the closet first, and then we'll kind of go through the cabin. Standard restroom. Does have the shower curtain. And the shower gel. I think everyone always asks that if the gel's there, but it's here. More space over here. That's the restroom. And as always, watch your step. So this cabin can actually sleep 4 people. So you'll find ladders here. This particular cruise, I am by myself, so we won't be using those. Life jackets, racks for hangers, and the hangers. So 2 doors to the closet. We have the safe. Looks like more hangers to hang clothes. Alright, next is a little vanity area. Not that large, but large enough. Drawers all along the sides and on the top. My welcome paperwork, bottled water, more storage here. And the storage actually goes all the way up to the top. And that's the vanity area. So now the cabin itself. I mentioned the cabin sleeps 4 people. You'll see the fold-out beds from the sides. And the ladders are in the closet. I'd say the only negative thing on the cabin is when you come on the sides, you have to bend down to kind of get in here. You'll see this is kind of right in the walkway. And then my view in this cabin is all the way forward. And there is the enchantment of the seas. So a little private deck out here. But this is stateroom cabin 7000, Ocean View, Empress of the Seas cabin tour.